Difference between different sex difference in human skull. General appearance. General appearance larger, heavier, more massive. But in females, small, lighter, less massive. Next is architect, that is rugged, more smooth in females. Walls thicker, thinner in females. Surface rough, smooth in females. Muscular ridges more marked, especially at the base and in occipital and temporal area. Less marked muscular ridges. Capacity 1500 to 1550 ml, but in less in female, that is 1350 to 1400 ml. Forehead steeper, less rounded, but in females vertical, fuller and rounder. Glabella is this item. Glabella is more prominent in a male, less or absent in a female. Frontonasal junction, that is distinct angulation, is there in male. There is a smooth curve in females. Orbit size relatively smaller in shape square. Position set lower on face, margins rounded, but in females relatively larger size, shape rounded, position set higher on face, margins sharp. Supraorbital ridges, that is supraorbital ridges are more prominent in male, less prominent on or absent in females. Zygomatic arch, that is heavier and more prominent laterally arched in this males. Lighter and less prominent in lateral arching is less more compressed in females. Nasal aperture is this one. Nasal aperture higher and narrow in male, lower and border in females. Bony ridge along the upper border of external auditory meatus, that is prominent, less prominent in absent in females. Frontal eminence, that is small in males, more larger in females. Parietal eminence is small in males, more in females. That is, this one is parietal prominence, that is more in females. Frontal sinuses are more developed in male, less developed in female. Maxillary sinuses significantly larger in male, smaller in female. Occipital protuberance, that is very prominent in male, less prominent in female. Mustard process size larger, tip blunt, M type, but in female size smaller, tip pointed, F type. Digastric groove, that is deeper in male, shallower in female. Occipital condyle, that is occipital condyles larger in male, smaller in female. Palate large border U-shaped, smaller or narrower or parabolic in shape. Foramina larger in male, narrower in females. Foramen magnum larger and oblong in a male, smaller and rounder in female. Teeth larger in male, smaller in females. Thank you.